Hi children, I welcome back you to the same part. I would like to give you vocabulary for Unit 4, Part A, an adventure. It is continuation part to the previous part. Vocabulary: new word, towards, parts of speech, preposition, meaning, someone moves in the direction of some other. Vacation, noun, a period of the year when schools are closed. Ancient, adjective, old. Now see these new words in example sentences. Towards, she is coming towards me. Vacation. In summer vacation, we plan to visit Srisailam. Ancient. There was an ancient monument in our village. So in these three sentences, I have given you with green color. These are the new words we have to learn in this lesson. Ruins, noun, collapsed and decayed building. Explore, verb, to search for, travel through. Crumbling, verb, breaking or cracking into pieces. Example sentences: ruins. We visited the ruins of the Killa at Kondapalli. Explore. Scientists are exploring for it. Crumbling. He kept the crumbled pieces of paper in his pocket. So in each and every sentence, I have given you green color words with an underline. It is a new word which we have to learn in this lesson. Now let us see new word, pretend. Verb, to behave as if somebody is true when in fact you know it is not. Hide. Verb, to keep somebody in a place where they can't easily be seen. Passage, noun, a long narrow way through. See children, here these three words are new, and be careful in learning the meaning. Once again, you see the word pretend, to behave as if somebody is true when in fact you know it is not. Okay, now we see example sentences. Pretend. She is not sleeping, she is just pretending. Just she is acting as sleeping. Hide. She hid behind a bush. Passage. She walked down a narrow passage to reach the secret place. So in these three sentences, I have given with navy blue color with an underline. These three words are new words to learn in the lesson. Now, excite. Verb, to make someone feel happy, interested or eager. Pant. Verb, breathe with short quick breaths. Gang. Noun, an organized group of criminals. Children, here also see, you can see three new words which is very important. Example sentences. Excite. They were very excited when they won the match. Pant. He ran very fast, so he was panting. It shows that he was breathing with short quick breaths because he ran very fast. Gang. A gang of thieves entered the temple and looted the idol's jewels. So here a gang, a group of criminals, a group of people particularly doing a special thing, maybe almost robbery, murders or thefting, like that. So here each and every sentence I gave you with red color, that is with underline. Those are the new words in the lesson you have to learn. Now comprehension. So after completion of the lesson, let us check ourselves. What kind of a town was Vishnupur? What did Seema find? Where was the secret passage? How did the children know that someone was in trouble? Very important comprehension questions to us. What do you think is the turning point in the story? Give reasons. It is based on your creation. You have to think on your own way. Where was the secret passage? What would have happened if the police had not arrived on time? Do you think the children took a risk? If it is, what could it be? It is also should produce new ideas to you. This comprehension should produce you new ideas, new sharings and creativity in your mind.